This is kind of pretty dark.
Hi friends, it's another video of
Blue.
giant pages of blue.
Yeah, the dog is blue. He named Blue.
Color these big pages.
Yeah, this dog named Blue because he's gonna turn blue. Right, Mommy? Because the spots are dark and the rest of them are light. If you do faster, it will make you so tired, right?
You're gonna get tired more faster if you do it too fast.
Yeah,
Your hands and arms gonna get
tired. Yeah, like really big problems.
And you can make a big mess too if you do it so fast.
If you're angry, if you're done, you can't throw the crayons at the sky. You can't, because if you're angry, if you don't.
What you have to do when you're angry? Breathe.
Breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. If you're angry. Nada. Angry. I'm gonna skip this one, okay? I'm gonna skip it, so I'm gonna pick brown.
Okay.
These ones. Have to be careful of the flowers.
Use imagination. You can color whatever color you want.
Oh yeah.
Only use imagination.
Or you can pick the same color. Gives you macerations. Like the door. Is it? I can pick any color I want.
The door can be red.
Yeah.
Oop. You broke.
That's why you can't do that. If you want to do that, if you want to. That means don't be harder. Right, Mommy? Just do your best, okay? Don't do harder because it will break your crayon. What I'm doing, I'm not doing it. I'm not like,
Push hard.
just don't push harder because it will make you so tired. So I'm done with this.
Despacito.
Like this, like that.
Despacito y bonito.
But not harder but not like that. Mommy, I love you. Now, how would you do this one and I do this one?
Okay, finish it, Kiska.
This is a tough one. Maybe not. Itch my ear. Don't do faster. Just spot right there and spot right there.
Okay.
In the mouth. And
The mouth gonna be nice pink. Oh no, blue. Blue is the blue.
I don't know. The swirls are, you can, Mommy, you can pick any color you want.
The tongue
The tongue is,
is can be red, not pink.
pink. And the mouth will be red. Or maybe the same color. This one be black. Black. Just black for the wheel. You can get 2 crayons if you want to make the faster. I made a mistake.
It's okay.
It's okay if you made a mistake. Oh, that's gonna be brown. Do you know this one? It's kind of like brown, too. It's okay if they're the same colors. It's okay if you color the flowers brown. What I do. I'm gonna pick green because the apples are green, because they turn green.
Yeah, they have a green, yellow, blue, red.
Not blue. Don't break your crayon, Mommy.
No, I'm going to try not to.
That's my baby brother. He's coming downstairs right now because he loves puppies. He likes kind of puppy, like really loves puppies. If you like do like scribble like.
And you love cats.
If you like love cats so much and you like scribble like I'm done. Because that means you're like love cats. Thank you for helping Mommy. Thank you for helping me. Because thank you for helping me. He copying me. He copying me. Get up! Get up! This is great. Don't do like scribble everything like this. Like and then no, that's a bad idea.
Very bad idea.
Because you like super crazy if you eat sugar. That make you like crazy. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look at that. Look. It's blue, okay? And the other dog is blue. No, the other dog is pink. The other dog, that dog is pink. And that one has wearing glasses, that one don't. That's blue. This one is blue. You point to that blue. Yeah, that's blue. And that's pink. Pink has one. So pink has glasses, so blue doesn't have glasses. You have eyes? Yeah, only eyes. Be careful the eyes. Because don't make it like red like.
No, I'm gonna look angry.
Like he look at the sun and those are like melting when he's melting like an ice cream. Don't do that. Down.
That's it.
You call my name? This is great. My baby brother just dropped that. I made it. The bushes are green too. The bushes are green. You missed this one. Yeah, the bushes are green too. Or green with yellow. You can do that. What's purple for?
The flower.
Oh yeah. Purple for flowers. 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 Yeah. I hope I don't miss one. I hope I do it. I'm gonna get light green because the grass. It's okay, they're the same color. I'll make the same color. This one's gonna be what? The grass is don't make it faster.
Maybe.
Make it slow.
Don't make it faster.
Sorry. You scare me. Jesus Christ, scare me. Okay. I like doing this. Okay. Is that pink? Who did that? Mommy. Mommy? No, me. You? What? You buy it? Yes. Like the book. Like which one? If you color blue, like green, if you color the dog green, it would look like if you color the face green, that means he throw up. If you color his yellow, yellow, he will be angry at you.
Mm.
No, if the eye is green, that means he's a robot.
Okay.
Don't make him robot. Robot. If he has blue in his eye, he will be a robot. Really? No. Do you know blue go in his eye and then he will be angry at you? What? Don't make the eyebrows because they're really brown. Don't make the other eyebrows. It will be an alien. I'm gonna get the big is pink. So can I color the doors?
Hmm?
The doors?
Yeah.
Don't scribble like I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. You're like racing with the crayon. You're like I made a mistake. You make a throw up. You know green, he go in mouth and he throw up right here. And then we make he throw up.
And we finish.
Yeah. That
It looks so cool.
like cool.
And now the coloring
Yeah, this one named
for
blue.
blue,
A
blue plus and you.
Mhm.
Espero que les haya gustado.
Bye, Pinky friends.
Bye,
Like,
Pinky
subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, Pinky friends. Bye, Pinky friends.